Hello guys, today we're doing this section. This is the third video on my Oliver's toy review. So let's start with this little fella because it's on the far left. This one can't even pack a punch at all. This one's the smallest. It's the smallest. I'll show ya. Holy Jesus. This thing is a goofy, but you can't just get in here. How can this fit in there and just shove it up and just go like dar me poopy dum dum? Oh my god, I'm saving you for later. These are my favorite. I always put these on them, just makes them easier to handle. And then you always gotta go with the classic. Oh wait, I used the RPG too much. Shoddy, it's a shoddy. What do you think? Yeah, see, it just makes it better because you don't have to like. This just makes it better. I think you can shoot faster with it too. Overall, it's an awesome gun. Goodbye. Oh, my bad. I thought we were over there. This little fella. Oh, my fellas. So this one, I want to show you this one. This fella can really pack a punch. These are the ones that do the most damage, so I have to reset them a lot. And this is the this one. This is the this is best shotgun. I don't know what it's called. I don't even know what any of these are called really. And it has to be a shotgun reload because it has that. And then watch Goku. That's Goku. How did it appear instantly? Pretty good gun, but it looks goofy. I'm gonna put it behind the trash can, but with no grenade. I have mercy and a soul. Actually, wait, I don't think I have that. Let's get back to the video. Sometimes I get a little overkill with the targets. Check this little pup out. Oh, this thing shoots shoddy rounds? This thing just... This is a shotgun. Well, I guess it's gonna be a shotgun video, ain't it? Bro, check this out. Literally. My bad, did I shoot you with a shotgun? My bad. My bad, I shot you with a shotgun. No problem. Oops, my bad. Busted. I've never even seen it in my life. But those only go there, so we're not doing that, but that still means that it's good. Top. The pt.2. And I went overkill. Once again, help me. You know, I go a little bit overkill sometimes. I just littered that thing with trash. Pretty good gun. And it has cool reload. Get out there. Make sure to play Frontlines on Roblox. I recommend it to you. They didn't sponsor me or anything. I got my poopy McButt face. But it's just a really good game. It's like almost as realistic as this game in VR. So you should really try it out. Grenade! Yay! Next gun. Oh wait, I didn't bring it. Oh, I did. Okay. Next up is this cool one. What do you think it is? Guess in the comments. The best gun. Really cool. I'm not out on time. I'm just going fast. Next. been trying to make content for you guys. And the gritty. Got some fans out there that truly know me. Oh my god. Thing. Oh my god. Girl, what are you doing? I think I'm the imposter Rizzlers from Ohio. So Among Us. Outsource Among Us. Good gun. Good. Yeah. Next, the Chris Vector. Pretty cool gun. I mean, a lot of people don't know. Dang, well they should. What does it sound like with the suppressor? Does it deserve this one? Oh, not fair. Frick, I need a magazine. Okay. It's silent. It just sounds like they lowered the volume. That's it. Monkey. That's good. Hit the gritty. I don't like that attachment. That's goofy. Gritty. It looks goofy. It sounds goofy, but how is the reload? That is the magazine. I'm dumb. It gets that for uniqueness. That's not about me. Ooh, I like this one. So I like this one. I don't like it because it's not that good. Not that good. But it's still good. But because I've been putting those out there for long, I'm gonna have to put it back there with the grenade just to soothe y'all's anger. Yeah. Oh, nice. So, excuse me? We got the PKM. I love it. On your YouTube shorts. Actually, I'll just say what I was gonna say and what I just said in YouTube shorts. So I'll do that. I like it though. It's really good. Good gun. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy. Yay!